Hello everyone, Tom here again from Smartland. This is our video tour for 20629 Selfridge Parkway in Highland Hills, Ohio. We just got done renovating this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. The market value is $94,000. We already have a tenant in place. They're going to be renting this place for $1045. In here we installed all new flooring. There's new paint throughout. We also installed new light fixtures. We renovated the kitchen and the bathroom. We installed new appliances in the kitchen, and we even put in a brand new driveway. So let's just go take a look at the rest of the property. So over here we have the kitchen. We refinished the existing cabinets and countertops in here. We also installed new appliances. That includes a new dishwasher. They're all stainless steel. We put in a new light fixture, and we also put in the new flooring that we commonly use in a lot of our kitchens and bathrooms in the rest of our homes. Over here we have the main bathroom. In here we installed all new plumbing fixtures, including an energy efficient toilet. We also installed a new shower fixture and a new tub. We also put in the new tiling in the shower, a new light fixture, and we also installed the new flooring in here as well, just like the kitchen.